Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the GED online. First, familiarize yourself with the four main subjects: reasoning through language arts, mathematical reasoning, science, and social studies. Next, explore the official GED testing service website for approved study materials and online courses. It's crucial to take a practice test early on to pinpoint areas where you need the most focus. This initial assessment will guide your entire study journey effectively. Once you know your starting point, it's time to choose your study resources. Many free options exist, including educational websites and public library resources. For a more structured approach, consider investing in a paid online course. These often provide comprehensive lessons, practice questions, and even virtual instructors. Make sure the platform you select fits your personal learning preferences and financial plan for the best results. A well-structured study plan is key to success. Dedicate specific blocks of time each week to cover all four GED subjects. For instance, you might spend 2 hours on math and 2 hours on language arts. Break down larger topics into smaller, more digestible parts to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Consistent review of past material, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes daily, will significantly improve your retention and overall comprehension. As you near completion of your studies, take several full-length practice tests. Simulate actual test conditions by timing yourself and minimizing distractions. Carefully analyze every incorrect answer to learn from your errors and strengthen weak areas. Once you feel confident, register for the official GED test through the secure online portal. Remember, thorough preparation builds confidence for exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.